Hi, Joe. I thought I'd read for you several of the things that have happened on April 14th throughout history. April 14th, 1828, the first edition of Noah Webster's dictionary was printed. I suggest you study up on that before we have our next episode of Balderdash. April 14th, 1860, the first Pony Express rider reached San Francisco. How long did it take you and Amy to get from Memphis to Houston? Seemed like you did it several hours faster than Marlene and I did. April 14th, 1865, John Wilkes Booth shoots Abraham Lincoln. Have you got the safety on your pistol, fella? I want that to be on the next time Marlene and I come to visit. April 14th, 1902, Marie and Pierre Curie discover radium. Next time you're in Cincinnati, I'd like you to check our basement for radon gas. I'm worried about the levels down there. April 14th, 1903, the vaccine for typhoid fever is discovered. Isn't Houston in the typhoid belt? I know Memphis is. Be sure your and Amy's shots are up to date for typhoid. April 14th, 1910, President Taft for the first time throws out a presidential first ball on the opening day of baseball. I think you should be the one that throws out the cornhole bag the next time we have a cornhole match. April 14th, 1912, the Titanic sets out on its one and only voyage. Probably reminds you some of your trips when you took rafting on the New River. April 14, 1956, the first video camera was invented. That's old news to all of us since as you know, all of us are very well up to date on the latest electronics. April 14, 1957, Leah Newberger wins the women's ping pong championship for the 8th time. I think you won the last championship we had here, didn't you? It won't happen again. Marlene and I have been practicing up since then. Finally, April 14, 1994, Jackie Kennedy was operated on for a bleeding ulcer. If that happens to you, you don't worry. Amy's right there by your side to protect you. Hope you have a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.